In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null or missing data by joining your data in Tableau. This process can be immensely valuable when striving to ensure your data set is complete and insightful. Let's take a closer look at how you can do this effectively. First, you'll want to open up Tableau Public. If you haven't done so already, make sure you've got it installed on your computer. Once the application is open, locate your worksheet. This is likely where you've been working on your data visualization, so access it directly. For the next step, you'll need to create a master list. This will be a simple text file containing all the stages you need. It's essentially a reference that you'll use to ensure your data is comprehensive and that no stages are omitted. Now let's set up a cross-database join between your existing data and the master list you just created. When you're setting this up, use join calculations to join your tables on the condition of 1 equals 1. This may sound a bit unusual, but it's a technique used to ensure every row in one table joins with every row in another table, effectively filling in the missing gaps. Next, drag your stage master list onto the rows in your worksheet, replacing the existing stage data. This ensures that your master list is the primary reference moving forward. While you're at it, right-click on this list, select Sort, and then opt for Manual. This gives you control over how the data is organized. Now, head over to the Analysis tab and select Create Calculated Field. Name this new field, New Amount with Zeros. Don't forget to type out the query that suits your data's needs and click OK. Once that's done, return to the Analysis tab and create another calculated field. This time call it New Amount with Last Value. Again, enter your query and hit OK to save it. At this point, you should drag the measure names to columns and measure values to text. This part is crucial for how the data displays in your visualization. Now, you'll want to remove the sales amount from text and clear out everything from measure values except the calculated fields you just created. These fields are essential as they retain the necessary adjustments applied to your data. Before you proceed, set the view to fit width to make it easier to read and reposition your columns as needed. You might want to format these measure values for better clarity. To do this, right-click on the measure values and select Format. Navigate to the number section and go for a custom format that suits your needs. Finally, right-click on New Amount with Last Value, choose Compute Using, and then select Pane Down. This final step ensures your data calculations apply across the entire pane. And that's it. You've now filled in your missing data by effectively joining tables in Tableau. Thank you for watching, and be sure to try these steps with your data to see the improvement firsthand.